Presenting the Dixie Ultra Take 2 Interfold Napkin Dispenser. In this brief tutorial, we'll cover dispenser placement, napkin loading and refilling, dispensing 2 napkins, and easy maintenance. The dispenser can be placed on any countertop or flat surface, wherever it works best in the flow of your back-of-house operation. No mounting is required. Take 2 dispensers can also be easily stacked. The foot holders beneath each dispenser ensure stability when stacking. The dispenser holds 2 refill packs of Dixie Ultra 2-ply Interfold napkins. Refill the napkins when the remaining supply drops below the refill indicator line visible in the center of the dispenser window. To load the dispenser with napkins, locate the latch on the front of the dispenser and pull the door open. Then, identify the end of the napkin refill pack with the rounded side. Remove the paper band from around the napkins and load them all the way into the dispenser, starting with the rounded side. Close the dispenser door, reach into the front opening, and grab the top crease of the first napkin and pull through, so the next napkin drops over the front faceplate. With the first napkin folded over the opening, pinch the top of the fold, which will allow you to dispense 2 napkins with one grab, and pull the napkins out and away from the dispenser. Simply fold the napkin tail and place napkins neatly into your takeout bag. Periodically clean the dispenser by wiping it with a damp cloth and a mild soap solution. Be sure the dispenser is fully dry before refilling or using it again. Thank you for completing this tutorial. Please share it with your entire team and enjoy the efficiency of the Take 2 dispenser.